everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the finalists on the Thomann Drum Mix Contest. Holy smokes, I can't believe it's taken this long. I mean, we shot this and tracked it just before TGU last spring, and it's taken all the way to January 2019 to get a winner. Had a bit of a kerfuffle there earlier and kind of shortcutted things. You guys weren't too happy about that. Okay, duly noted. I am here to make you guys happy to a certain extent. So, what I did was I reached out to the community and I got a crap ton of volunteers to help me go through some 700 plus entries, and we managed to whittle it down. I'd like to thank everybody who volunteered. We've got it down to the top 3. So I'd just like to say to everybody, thank you so much for your patience. It's taken a little bit longer than I expected. Now, to make things a little more interesting, Thomann has been gracious enough to increase the prize count from 1 to 3. So the grand prize is still 250 euros, but third place is going to get 100 euros and second place is going to get 150 euros. So that's kind of a way of saying thank you for your patience. And well, without any further BS, let's get to the winners. All right, coming in third place, it's Mr. Ottavio Schimone. All right, that was actually pretty cool. I like the thump you got out of the kick. I like the amount of ghosting you got. That's probably better than I could do it. And I just like the overall feel. I thought the cymbals were a tiny bit on the harsh side, but overall, damn fine job, man. Of course, I'm probably going to come out of this contest looking like a complete idiot because I know somebody's going to have blended some samples in there sooner or later. The only thing is on these 3 mixes, I really can't tell if there are samples or not. So if you did, hey, great job. So second place is Travis Wally. Check this out. Killer stuff, dude. I love the fact that you managed to get such a big sound out of such a small room. I mean, like, obviously there's some artificial reverb going on in there and whatnot, but overall, I think it was a pretty good balance. You know, the cymbals were nicely controlled, and, you know, you managed to take the whole drum set into a different direction than a lot of other people did. So nice going, Travis. Well done. And if you use samples, well, hey, like I said, nice job, because I really couldn't tell. There might be some there, there might not. Pretty damn convincing job one way or another. Bravo. So second place to you. First place, the winner of this grand prize who's waited patiently for so long, who gets the 250 euro gift card. And that is Marco Borsella. Dude, nice job. Check this out. All right, well done. So the reason I chose that is even though he didn't expand the room sound, he really got the drum sounding huge, especially that floor tom. Holy crap. Nicely done. I like I said, the ghosting and all that. That was great. It was just a fat, kind of tight drum sound that I thought was pretty freaking badass. So congratulations, Marco. Well done. And I'd like to thank everybody who entered. And once again, I thank you for your extreme patience. You guys are fucking amazing. And I'd like to reach out here right now and just thank the staff at Thomann for hosting this wonderful contest and letting me tear up their drum room for a day and mic some stuff up and just have a lot of fun. Everybody there was just absolutely fantastic to work with. And as far as retailers go, yeah, Thomann just basically kills everybody else. I've been just a huge fan of the whole way though they do things. And you know what? I'm super glad I got to know those guys. So thanks again. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Hey guys, if you liked the video, be sure to subscribe as I post every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. If you want to learn more about recording, check out one of my tutorials or one of my gear reviews if you want the actual honest truth about a piece of equipment. Till next time, stay metal, my friends.